Back to my channel. I'm your JJ. To Subit's house and like I'll meet him. Aditya didn't call. Just now he called. Until now we wait. How much it costs? I said 4,995. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your JJ and this vlog is all about I'm taking this vlog is like my studs was fully toned and my friends Arithro's Machas also is fully toned and we are going to buy a new studs in Decathlon. So we are gonna go for Decathlon and buy a new studs for us. I'm really excited. So guys, now I'm going to Sumit's block. I'll just go there. He is the one who is gonna pick me and Arithro, he takes time like 10 minutes something. And I'll go to Subit's house and like I'll meet him. I don't know is he ready or not. He was like, Macha, come to my home. I'll be ready. We'll go together to Arithro's house or Arithro will come here itself. Let's see. Yo guys, at last we reached Sumit Niga's house, Safed Niga, and
Hello
here is
welcome back to my channel.
Bere Narelo. Bere Naro. Ikra ba.
Thank you. Like Mori, but the video Dori. Thank you. Like Mori. 1, 2, 3.
Ishtan like ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Thank you.
Sumit, I am also going to buy one studs now.
Today?
I don't know, my dad was like, why you're borrowing other studs and all and you're using. Then he was like, okay.
Mention you
Welcome.
Keep
If Anna
down.
should come, but Anna is not coming.
Bye.
Anna is not taking the call also.
ನೀನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಹೇಳು ನೀನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಬಾ ಹಾ ಓಕೆ
Guys,
हाँ
million like कर दीजिए अगर जल्दी तो कर दीजिए
bye bye
bye bye see you later
guys, it's been like 20 minutes and like Aditya didn't call. Just now he called. Until now we are waiting here for him and they wanted to say something about that.
yes guys the guys this is taking part now this is I'm making vlog after this is half an hour the and my mom come after give a go after he will go play to football after he will come back after he will bath after he will eat his food after he will come to our earth. Thank you.
Okay, Sumaji is getting ready. We'll go down. I think so Arithro came. Acha, where is Arithro? He is coming.
Yes.
He didn't come yet.
After
Okay then, I'll go down and I'll show you Arithro. Bye. Bye bye. Take
after
care.
bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care of yourself.
Okay, bye. We'll see you down. At last, Arithro bhai aa gaye. Say hi. Yo. At last, we are in Decathlon. Huh? What should I buy? Holy I always wanted this Predator only. I said over to you, no Predator. How much it costs? ऐसा रहेगा कुछ कितना 30% discount है यार.
It'll still be some 5 for
Yeah.
20% off. Oh, I'm like 20k.
20k. Very nice it is though.
अब सोच अगर 20% ऑफ लगने के बाद 15 है तो ओरिजिनली कितना होगा?
अच्छा 15k. studs. If I play with that, no time it will go off. Like way I play, that to gone case.
The creator is very
For me, Kipsta is only better.
only please, bro.
No, I also want to buy one. I will also buy one.
Think of Macha.
Yeah.
It will not be that much price.
I bought last time Kipsta from here only. From Dagalam only I bought. Before this bag was like
99 bucks, Macha.
99.
Now
That
it's
was
like
499. 499. They will give it for free watch our bag. Yes. There is studs ka thing. We are roaming all Decathlon and we are not able to find the studs. I think so it's not here. That's it. Ah, here. Found it. You reached the location of studs. It's too full speed. I should speed.
He wears that one.
Ah, it's got a grip also. Yeah, no? It's for cycle. Which one? Like, this is 1.3 km. This train is bad. Ah, so where are the stations? Similar to this.
अबे उस साइड भी तो था. उस साइड नहीं है ना, बस इस साइड.
अबे वो अच्छा I think so last we will buy this trainers only and go.
इस साइड नहीं है, बस उतना ही है.
Oh, we thought we can buy that. I think we have to buy trainers only and go.
ऑनलाइन इज बेटर देन.
हाँ?
ऑनलाइन इज बेटर. Amazon था अभी हट गया.
I thought similar to this one, studs will be there over here.
और उतने कलेक्शंस.
Let's go to the shop. Like where you buy. So you're buying the coffee cables. Studs is over there. Studs will be. The fried chicken is good. Not Kolkata. Here, somewhere near your college.
अबे स्टड्स फॉर फर्स्ट कॉपी नो मचा.
We can still charge it. Macha, I also want to play. Hey, we're holding camera in one hand. Wait, Macha, don't get straight down.
ये बहुत बढ़िया लग खेल रहा. हाँ 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 हाँ.
Come on, bro. Macha, the way it comes now. Straight up.
What basketball is it?
Okay.
हाँ हाँ मचा, ये ऐसे खेलते रहा.
Okay, let's go somewhere different. Last one. This is nice for motors. I like this color. Contrast. We don't have money to buy normal studs on here. There is trainers over here, 1,299. We thought we'll buy one. Macha, she's buying him 5K studs.
5K का.
अमीर लोग. We are searching for 2.5. At least you have to pay 2K, 3K for Nike starting in outlet. take a football and play? You wanna play? I don't know to do pakka palti. You know to wear board. Macha, only does pakka fall. Macha, I also want to do. Let me try. La 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 la. I put it straight da. Hey, you go that side, you go that side, you go that side. Start from that side, it'll be easier. Do the front part first, do the front part, do the front one first. अबे पहले फ्रंट वाला डाला. चलेंगे कहाँ चलेंगे? अच्छा, where are you taking me to bra section? Here guys, we are going to buy some bras for Chiva. Hey, no, I don't want. So might as well just take a bra and enjoy it. अरे ध्यान की टन मजा. I don't want that. Not padded. No, we came to buy studs. There is no studs. No studs. Only Adidas. Adidas brand के लौटा no पैसा for the Adidas. औकात के बाहर की चीज़ है. हाँ. They can't buy Adidas though. We came for Kidstar. Kidstar they don't have studs. They have trainers. So we are back to. No. सुमित पे दुकान सर्च कर, यहाँ पे शर्ट मिलता होगा. हाँ, अच्छा, search for a shop. We will get studs somewhere. Preferably if you get like first copy, last copy. Ah, that will be nice, crazy. I will also buy now. That's the scene. There is Adidas outlet somewhere here. What I was telling you, check once. Ah, we'll check. Even if we don't. We are going to Adidas outlet. Oh. Nike, Adidas outlet. Where it is? That's it. That's it means? How far?
1 kilometer.
That's all, then come Pakka will go there. But if I get some 1,300 rupees Adidas bag, so I'll buy it off it.
It's outlet now, so you might get it for cheap.
Ah, oh.
And
I thought it was waste coming here. I thought at least I'll buy one Kipstaka studs which I had before, regular one. 1.5k.
अबे आउटलेट में मिल सकता है क्या? एंड उधर नाइकी का फैक्ट्री स्टोर है.
हाँ वही बोल रहा हूँ. 50 to 60% ऑफर है ना उनका.
70% and all they'll be having, no?
If they have that much, if you buy one low.
Let's go to Adidas outlet. We'll see you there. We are in Adidas outlet. Yeah. Haridro. Let's look. Whoa. See this shoe? So what? This is what outlet is.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು
4,000, 6,000 banking.
Decathlon से थोड़ा स्टार्ट होने से 10 साल निकला.
What's the lowest? 2,300. Oh, it's the same thing as that. Prodito. 6K, 4K. The cheapest is like 3,600, 3,400 something. Here also it's not according to our budget. We thought 1.2, 1.3 max. But band ke load starting only 3, 3.9, 3.4. अच्छा gone.
मचा गेट में मैकडी मचा और पानी पूरी
मुंह में लेगा. Now which one? अच्छा, these people will be having skirt? No. These are running shoes.
रनिंग कंडीशन है
Yes, बोलो Nike is there.
आई मीन कम एंड बाय शूज मचा
Macha, Nike is not a outlet, da. That's not. Oh, okay. Okay. We are into Nike, bro. Again, we'll see. Will we find it or not? Adidas only we didn't find it. How will we find Nike?
Let's hope Nike gives us something.
Ah, Macha?
Let's hope Nike gives us something. At least.
Let's go. What do we have? Yeah. जल्दी रे. Studs are no labo, no? Studs are up. Come. I just want but nice.
Wait.
Macha, every day we will play. Half buy one shoe.
Sometimes you understand.
Better we buy straight only, no? Just save it. Both will play. Then it will be like. Macha. This is a mall, bro. Nike, fully Nike. Here we are not able to find one studs, bro. Studs. Shoes are there. Everything are casual, running. This kind of studs we are not able to. We can only find these trainers. Trainers. Something here. There's also trainers. Yeah, I found something. Ooh, Macha.
4,995. 20% off.
This is also same black. 4,900 something. That's all, no?
Much only.
Hey, we didn't go for Puma outlet. Puma will be having, bro, because there's no. It starts cheaper.
सेम मॉडल बट डिफरेंट कलर
People are so crazily buying, bro. It's a trainers, no?
Yeah. Even if this trainer, I'll get it.
No?
Crazy much.
Yeah, gold is
Also nice.
Nice it is.
8.5. No, 7. What's the price of this?
See under the shoe? No price. Free, yeah. Come, we'll take it free. He'll kick us out of this place. Benches, when I open my copy shoe store, no, you guys can find this kind of shoes, pakka.
Macha,
The way I'll give.
football shoes also, no? Get from Kolkata.
Yeah. Once we open our own store, like copy piece, bands, the way I keep, no? These are kids. Kids, fully kids. Let's find it and here they don't have studs only, da. They have that also 4K something.
I think we'll ask someone.
There will be workers now here. Yeah. He's wearing ID card. such a basketball shoe. This
Can't play nice with
everything is possible. This is the only stud. See the fucking cost, bro. Again, we are coming to the same place. Hey, macha, here it will be different friend.
Decathlon गए थे, but
Let's check.
Decathlon में it's like
Who?
but Decathlon में starts from 1.2. I don't want to pay 1.2 for like 50 times.
What is the price of this sheet?
So
What's the price? They're not written a price
You
here.
have to ask them.
Bro, 7.9. The size 10 is there.
it's like this.
Okay. Macha, there is no 7 box only right now. Our size is not, everything is 9 or 10. 9 or 10 only. 9, 13, 14, 15. Everything was costly, like venture starts 4.5, they are not able to find anything.
You'll buy 3, get 3 free. If we buy 3 kachas, or I'll buy 3 lanterns, will they give?
Buy 3, you'll get 3.
Once?
Yeah, we'll check once. Asus will check once. Asics, sir. Asics doesn't have a football studs. Macha, is there Puma one? Why don't Puma have this outlet? Puma outlet is not here. Reebok is there. Reebok has a... No. I never saw one.
Reebok, I don't think so they have this. The Kiran which you took my white color shoes now, that was from Reebok only. 9K ka.
Hey, return back the shoe. 9K ka shoe you are holding.
The white color.
We still ask Reebok one. We'll go ask, do they have studs or not? Let's see what will they say. No football shoes. No football shoes. Bad luck.
Search for Puma.
I was at least search a sports shop, macha.
मिल जाता है. Puma online I saw one shoe. What? Nike or something. That will get first.
उनके सामने.
Bang! Ki dun 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 dun.
अच्छा बॉल
Oh, take it, macha. Ball.
मैं ले जाके मेरे पास इतने बड़े
Go for Puma.
पानी पूरी है
Where is Pani Puri, bro?
पानी पूरी जगह पागल है.
अबे मुझे बस गंदा भूख लग रहा है. तुमको पेट में जाना है.
For me also Pani Puri. Aridro, Pani Puri. Pani Puri.
वो भी सच है.
Searching for shoes and at last we are here in Pani Puri store. I don't know what to do. This fellow is the reason we are having Pani Puri. I am also the reason. I am hungry. He is eating Pani Puri and we are going to find like what will be there in Puma outlet, or else we have to find other stores. And no other choice then online. Last thing, online. That's only much a choice for us now. First we are in Puma. How much? Yo, everyone is saying
Here you are getting 1.7k only. This shoe.
how much?
1.7.
Yo, bro. I think so. We'll buy it here. Habibi, wallah, Habibi, we are going to buy Puma shoe.
You are trading limit.
Here, all our traders will find. That's, can we vlog here? Can we take video? Ask them. If they allow, then we can. Ask someone who has ID card. Can we take videos or not? Acha, ask means you are searching. Brazili. Acha, they kept it size wise.
Come no macha. And fit also have to see.
In Puma also we didn't find anything. There is no studs only in Puma. Only girls studs. Only 2-3 studs were. That was a bigger size.
कितना दूर है यहाँ से?
तेरा कॉलेज के अंदर.
कितना दूर?
4 किलोमीटर होगा.
Now we are going to normal sports shop where we can get our studs, or else today evening we won't be able to play. My license hello. Where is your license? License hello.
लाइसेंस का
हाँ. License hello. Hey, license hello. Any license? Oh. Oh. We came into a random shop, sports shop. Let's see what we will find here. Yo, this place is nice. They have nice things and everywhere. Puma also they have. Puma, New Balance. Seven.
Oh, you have no.
Yeah. This is so nice.
How much is that?
I नहीं मिलेगा भाई तेरे को.
4,500. 4,600.
Victor is X.
Wow.
Venom.
1,600.
यार मतलब Venom model.
1,600.
छोटू model.
अबे थोड़ा जल्दी कर लो.
This is Venom model. Monkey one.
अंदर और से ट्राई करके पहुंचना. Yeah guys, they're checking out the shoes and this बंदे का shoes मिला. Macha, if you break something you have to pay.
No, I won't. Let's see. Hey, this is not standing in the I think this is a bit bigger. You think? What size is that? 7. This is little bit big.
But good only na.
No. Big is never good in football. Should you like? See. It's wider, no?
ये भी एक शूज ट्राई कर रहा. And as usual, me wearing my Puma.
See. Yeah, this is the studs I bought somehow. The crazy one. This is a nice one. Cheap and best. I'm gonna play in muddy ground, so this is the best I think. My life started with this studs, Victoria's X. So maybe after some while I won't play football. I'm gonna end it with the same brand. I'm happy though that I have these studs. Let's see after the match. I'll give you a review. Yo guys, today was a nice game. I played with my new boot. Yeah, this boot. I hit volley. How many goals did I hit today? It was crazy goals.
About 4-5.
4-5. And he got one volley. I dribbled one and shot it from left leg.
That was not important. Now me and Sumit are going to set him up with a girl. Like we tried to set him up. We made him look cool. He took my hoodie. So it should be worth it.
Avengers.
It should be worth it.
So I was at last I was happy that I got a new studs. So yeah, chotte. Bitch sling ling.
बेंचर अभी से लड़की से बात करना चाह.
Hey, no macha.
क्या पड़ गएगा मचा तो. ओ बिट्टू भाई. नमस्ते अंकल. हेलो गाइस. अंकल बटरिंग कर रहा है अंकल. इसका बात कभी यकीन मत करो. मस्का मार रहा है.
अबे मैं जाके बात करता कभी और.
वही मस्का.
Let's go home.
चलो ये रुक जा.
Let me end the vlog. I'll go home.
2 girls.
Hey.
Can only I'm letting you go home.
Hey bro, 2 is not easy now. You know I look like Chapri in first place.
अबे सुन इधर तू जाएगा इधर कोई नहीं है साले उधर आगे ज्वेलरी का स्टोर है उधर
Okay guys, these people are trying to find me a girl. Like I should try lot of these people won't say anything.
I have a
Everything
girl.
I should only try.
everything I'll do. I'll speak. I'll set him up. Only he has to
तू
go.
बात ही नहीं कर रहा. वो
लौड़ा
बात
मैं
कर रहा.
अरे मतलब इसका सेटअप मैं कराऊंगा.
कैसे तू क्या जगह तू वहाँ जाकर
मैं कराऊंगा.
ना तू वहाँ जाकर बोलेगा हे हाय मैं
Hey, hi, I'm Jaden.
Hey,
my
no, bro.
friend Jiva here. He wants to. He kind of likes you. Finds you attractive. Would you like to talk to him? Yes or no? Simple.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Bro, show the whole place. Bro, this is our Sasta Church Street.
Sasta Church Street. In our apartment. Yo guys, Sumit is trying to buy jhumkas for his girlfriend. Pachakili. Show Sumit, what did you buy?
See something for Cello.
Challo. I call Pachakili, he's like Challo. You know the Prakash Raj ka dialogue, no? Challo. Buy one Pach.